Hello, it's James here, and today I'll be showing you how to create and optimize questions on Google Forms. Google Forms is a Google application in which you can create your own surveys, tests, etc. Okay, so first we need to make sure that we're signed into our Google account. Next, we need to open up Google Forms by typing in Google Forms in the browser. Once it loads, just click the first URL. Then it should take you to this screen, so just hit the blue button that says Go to Google Forms. And that'll take you to your Google Forms portfolio. For this demonstration, I'll be creating a new Google Forms, a new Google Form template. So just hit the blank button, it's the white button with the plus in the middle. So first things first, we need to title our form. So click on Untitled Form and title it whatever you want to title it. For this example, I'll be titling it Food Survey. Next, we need to name our document. If we just click the Untitled Form up in the top left corner, whatever we make our title should automatically appear there, and just click off of it. Next, we need to fill out a form description. This could be directions for what you want your recipients to do, anything like that. So, once you've completed your description, there will already be a preloaded question, a preloaded Untitled Questions template. So click on the word Untitled Question to bring up this question interface, which should have a whole bunch of options for you to choose from. So first, we're going to title our question. Let's go with something simple like, what is your favorite food? The default question setting is set to multiple choice. Or it was set to multiple choice, but now it should be set to multiple choice by default. You can change any of your choice options by clicking this long horizontal gray bar in the top right corner of the template. Just click that, and 8 other options should come up, ranging from short answer, which is just a few sentences, paragraph, which is a paragraph, multiple choice. Checkboxes is kind of like multiple choice, except you can pick multiple answers. A drop-down menu is it's like if you want to pick a date or something like that, you hit the drop-down menu and you have a list of something that you have a list that will drop down that you can fill out, and you choose one of the options. A linear scale, a multiple choice grid, a date, and time. But for this example, we'll be going with multiple choice. So first off, we're going to set a couple of options. So let's just set something basic like pizza. And to add another option, you just hit the button that says Add Option right under your first option. So popcorn, steak, and hot dog. If you look over to the right of your options, you'll see a little gray icon with, it looks like a mountain range. If you click on that, it'll open up your document so you can insert an image. I'm not going to be showing you how to do that here, but you can always experiment and check it out. Next, if you look onto the template, you'll see this. It's not connected to the template, but it comes up whenever you click on it. You'll see this long vertical gray, or you'll see long vertical white box with 5 options in it. Each option does something different, obviously. The top one with the circle with the plus adds a question. So when you click on that, it adds another question, and you get all the same options as the first question. So clicking back to the first one, the second one with the capitalized and the lowercase t, you click on that and you can add another section to your survey. So you can title it again. You can do like a part 2, and you can add another description, and you can add more questions under it. Clicking back on here, we can add an image to the template. If we click the little YouTube logo, we can add a video to it. And this one, if you click the one with the 2 thick bars, you can add a whole nother section. So you click on that, and you add section 1 of 2 and section 2 of 2. And this means you can make like a part 1 up here and a part 2 down here. And if once your recipients finish the top one, they can move on to the second one if you're making a test or something out of your Google form. So lastly, if you look down towards the bottom right, you'll see a set of 4 more options. Each one of these options does something different. The one starting from the left all the way to the right, this one duplicates your exact question. So everything that you have set here, if you click on duplicate, it would duplicate that, giving you essentially the exact same question. The one next to it, the icon next to it is a trash can, which is obviously a delete button. So you click on that and your question is deleted. The one next to it is a little switch that when you flick it to the right, it makes the question required to where the person, your recipient, cannot submit your form until they've answered that question. And then this bar, this three bar on the side, allows you to add a description to your question to give directions on how to answer the question. You can go to section based on answer, or you can shuffle the option order, meaning that all of your recipients will the options will all be shuffled. The order of the options will be shuffled for each recipient. And lastly, if you look on the right side of your options, there are little X's that you can click that will delete any of your options. That will delete any of the options that you choose. And yeah, that is how you create a Google form, and that's how you create questions and optimize. That's how you create and optimize Google Forms questions. Thanks for watching.